Welcome to Portland Island, the land of spectacular scenery and beach bars. I'm Kate, and this is my husband Mick. Our kids, Thomas and Bentley, and my parents, Kevin and Shawna. We are 3 generations coming together to create the Cruising Meraki Project.
By the sea, silver caps the ocean. We'll be sailing free. I don't know this notion, but I know it to be true. I just can't stop singing. Oh, how baby I love
Look at it. Wow, it's got very pretty lines on it.
Red.
Tommy, do you know where we are?
No, I don't.
This island is called Portland Island. And it's just off of Swartz Bay on Vancouver Island where the ferry comes in. And we actually see a lot of ferries go by, don't we?
I've only seen like 4.
You've seen 4? We haven't been here very long. That's impressive. Hello, Bushman.
Hey,
How's it going?
awesome. It gets kind of sandy down there, only for a little bit.
We're just sitting on the beach on Portland Island and
Sorry, I've got the motor running on high.
whales right in this bay on the inside of those rocks over there behind me. And there's a whole bunch of whale watching boats right there now. So, we're pretty speedy. We're going to try and go see what we can see. Sorry, that was shocking. I just saw it. He was right there. There he is!
Oh, there's another one over the bar.
Oh my gosh! Wow, what an amazing welcome to this spectacular island.
how to reach out to the open arms.
Don't fall in the ocean, please.
Sky is turning red, and I don't know if it's more bitter, beautiful.
Did you remeasure our depth?
Do you want me to show you?
Yeah.
Okay. Chat, Tommy. So this is our depth gauge. Bought this off Amazon. I can see the bottom. We're in a bit of a deep spot. So we're on the bottom there. And we have a draft of 4 foot. So right now is almost low tide, but tomorrow's low tide is going to be like another foot lower. So there's the bottom.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm going to guess we're in about maybe between 7 and 8 feet. So at low tide tomorrow we should have about 2 foot clearance.
We saw our anchor and our chain. We just kind of floated over it. It's very exciting.
Okay guys, you ready for our adventures today?
Look at this shipwreck. Like we read about it.
It looks like just a piece of a ship.
No, but look at the floor. I can see it, bits of it on the ground, like over there.
It's super disappointing.
Yeah, this is super disappointing.
Yeah, that's very disappointing.
That must be kind of looks like a...
I would call that a dinghy wreck.
Yeah, me too. If you're up close.
So we're just checking out the trails on Fender Island. Oh, I keep doing that. On Portland Island. And it's beautiful in here. There's 2 little campsites and a private ferry that you can book to come over if you wanted to camp. And there's 2 good anchorages.
Meet, please.
And it's beautiful and peaceful and green and lush. We are very fortunate.
And cool.
Yeah, it does feel cool in here, doesn't it?
We went really far.
Did you find the beach?
No. Let's go to town.
My goodness, what a spot. I think I just keep saying that. Sometimes I see a place like this and I think, maybe we don't need to sail around the world.
Yeah. This is a perfect little beach.
It's beautiful.
Sandy, water's clear. Tents like right on the sand in the driftwood.
Yeah, it's unreal. The problem here is we just don't have a long enough season.
No.
It's so short that it's hot and beautiful. This is life right here. So, so good. I just feel so fortunate with where we live and that we get to explore places like this on our little boat. Best decision ever. Ooh, that's fresh. Portland Island is a magical little island, part of the Southern Gulf Island Group. The island was given as a gift to Princess Margaret in 1958. For those of you that don't know Princess Margaret, she is the younger daughter of King George and Queen Elizabeth and the only sibling of Queen Elizabeth II. The island was given to Princess Margaret in 1958 to commemorate her visit to the province of British Columbia. Princess Margaret then returned the island to BC in 1967, which it then became a provincial park. Today, Portland Island is part of the Gulf Islands National Park Reserve.
So, Kate made me row into about a 20-knot northerly.
It's not 20 knots.
It's at least 10. So she wanted to see this little driftwood shack.
Look at this, a little bar. I saw it this morning. There was a guy out there having coffee.
Hey, we're not moving at all.
Yes, we are.
Those people are, because they're just getting pushed and laughing at me.
So we think this is a private island.
Hey, hey.
There's a sign. What does it say above the bar?
Private island. So if this is your bar, the next time you see someone rowing past, invite me over.
Did you slip?
There's a drop off.
There's a drop off. You just stepped off.
You going in, mate?
Lights out. Time to go.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna go adventure to the other side of the island, guys. Are you ready?
You got your flashlights?
No. Mine lost. I threw it in the water.
Okay, so do you want to grab your flashlight, Tommy?
No.
Who wants to say what the plan is?
The plan is to drink rum. The plan is we just started a hike from the southeast corner of Portland Island and we're heading straight up north through the middle. I'm gonna guess with the kids and the deviation of the path, It's probably going to be about a 2K walk. And apparently there's a sandy beach on the other end. And we're going to watch the sunset from over there. And then flashlights for the walk home. And I'm out of breath already and we just started.
It's not that far. It's like under 2Ks to get there.
1.95.
Is it?
I don't know.
No, it's less than that.
It's a good number though.
It's less. Getting bitten? We should have brought the bug spray.
Let's go.
Oh.
Okay, what does that do?
I spray it all around us the whole time.
Oh, I see. Do that with the spray. Okay,
This one.
Royal Cove. Let's go. Onwards. Somewhere. I see no beach.
Take seaweed, open his mouth. You can see it. I watched it.
That's cool.
Boom, giant spider crab. It's pretty scary.
How cute's that beach if we can get down? I think we can right here. What's up, man?
Where are you gonna go?
Like just in that cove maybe? Because we can get to this one.
You wanna see what's on the next one? Okay. Do you have a feeling it's wet? So we just keep going around. This is really nice, you think?
Oh yeah. Can you imagine a life where this is just your every evening?
No, it's hard to believe.
People do it.
I do. We will. What do you think, Tommy?
I love how many ferries you can see and how many islands you can see.
How'd you find that little spot? It's so good. Oops. What do you think? Okay. I'm tired. It's late. We went for a big walk. Pretty spectacular here, though, isn't it? Where's the walk? Back? Let's do it. So pretty. So today I think we're gonna pick up our anchor and cruise around to the north side of the island. Is it north? North side of the island. We went there last night for the sunset and it looked like a good little beach to explore, especially when the tide is out. So instead of walking there again, we thought we would cruise there. It is a very still day, so I'm not sure there will be any wind to help us get there. Then we head home today. It's been a perfect weekend. Yesterday felt like 5 days in one.
Just kept going and going and going.
We did so much and yeah, it was just super relaxing and lovely. And we just had a super cruisy, easy morning. It is hot. It's 9 a.m. and it feels like it's like 25 degrees already. It's gonna be a scorcher of a day. That's the plan.
It's a good plan. It's a good plan.
I'm about ready to get moving so that we can have some wind
Yeah.
on us. It's so still and hot. Man, when I'm out here, I just feel totally at peace. It's so good. that, guys.
Awesome.
Look at that beach. We're the only ones here. Just from one spectacular anchorage to the next. And I feel like we're acing anchoring.
Yeah, it's like 4th in a row.
We're doing really good.
Drop it and it just seems to do what it's supposed to do.
Yep.
You okay,
One of
Ben?
these days I'll film it, but we're just still learning and it's too hard to try and film.
We could get a couple camera mounts, maybe one facing that way and then one facing this way. Cool. Thank you.
You're so welcome. Nice little shady spot. What have you found?
Snails.
Aww. What have you guys thought of Portland Island?
Epic.
It has been epic. That's actually just what I was thinking. That's a beautiful spot. It blew me away. It's way better than I expected.
Imagine a snail with this shell.
It's a beautiful show.
And then whatever type of shell this is.
What about you, Bentley? What do you think of our weekend away at?
Good. Yeah, good.
Great. We get packed, get back, have some lunch, clean up a bit, and then head home.
Yeah, it's time. Has been a perfect weekend. I don't think it could have been any better. We're doing the BC Ferry dance once again. We've got one right there. We're both heading in the same direction. You always want to give way to a ferry. They move super fast. And yeah, they have the right of way. They're a large vessel, and in all these small inlets, they don't have the ability to move a whole bunch. So when we were kids, we used to get in our dinghy when we'd be close to them like this, and me and Brooklyn would race over to them and ride the wake and then catch back up with Mom and Dad. I can't believe we were allowed to do that. I don't think that's allowed anymore. I think if you were racing around the wake of a BC ferry, the Coast Guard might come talk to you now.